The evidence of democracy is represented in the giant strides recently achieved by the Honorable Member House of Representatives, Honorable Prince Rotimi Agunsoye, representing Kosovo local government. Hundreds of Kosovo indigents in the past have been empowered beyond reasonable doubt, as experienced in the 2021 empowerment event organized by the Honorable Member Prince Agunsoye for Kosovo Constituency. Potential beneficiaries present are expected to be part of minibuses, tricycles, fridges, desktops and printers, grinding machines, agricultural equipment and other household items put in place by the Honorable. In attendance were stakeholders and constituents of Kosovo local government, the Governor of Lagos State ably represented, his wife Ibijoke Sonolu, government officials, APC leaders, religious and traditional rulers with beneficiaries. Beneficiaries in their hundreds were seen singing the praises of the amiable Honorable as he reeled out his achievements and projects in the Kosovo local government constituency. A speech by wife of Lagos State Governor Ibijoke Sonolu commending the goodwill of a leader empowering his people, a sign of selfless leadership and service to humanity. Recording his 9th year of empowering the Kosovo community, Honorable Rotimi has pledged to do more with reference to whom much is given, much is expected.
I feel great, I feel happy. This is what they call dividend of democracy.
Dividend of democracy?
Yes, and I'm happy that I did not regret campaigning and voting for Rotimi Agunsoye.
What's your name?
My name is Akiyemi Olani Stephen.
How is this going to help vote to you?
This is, you see, I don't believe in giving fish, but I believe in teaching how to catch fish. With this, I can make it.
You're saying in the next 6 months you'll be able to get more empowered?
By the grace of God. By the grace of God. It will be productive and profitable.
I'm very, very happy.
What's your name?
I'm Kemi Olonode.
How is this going to help you in your business?
Yeah, I will start something with this. Though I don't really know much about computer, but I will employ somebody to be assisting me. So from there, we'll make it up.
What will you say to the
thank you, ROT. God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm indeed delighted. It's a special one. ROT is a leader. It's a man we recognize. We have been expecting greater things like this from him. And now that he has gotten to the peak, the sky is the limit.
What will you advise other honorable members?
Honorable members should follow the same suit and if possible do more. Another one is even doing another one on Thursday. Honorable Femi Said of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Kosovo Constituency 2, is having his own empowerment on Thursday, next tomorrow at Ajelogo. Yes, yeah. No, Ajelogo in Agboiketu LCDA. Kosovo Constituency 2 consists of Agboiketu and Ikosichere. So he's doing his empowerment on Thursday to empower people. And it's going to be massive too. But on the whole, we appreciate what ROT has done.
Thank you. Your name, sir?
I'm Honorable Mohammed Amir, the first majority leader in Ikosichere LCDA and the chairman of all former local government political office holders in Ikosichere and Agboiketu.
Ó ṣe dáadáa fún constituency Kosovo federal constituency. Ó ṣe dáadáa. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá inú ilé ìwé la lò àwọn bíi 400 people ló fún ní empowerment envelope 100,000. Ní ìtúkọ́ wọn ń ṣẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ di ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́ta àwọn ilé oṣù kan ó fún wọn ní ó dá wọn lókòwò ẹ̀rọ màlẹ̀. So àtúntò ìta ìṣe lónìí ẹ̀rọ ìwọ̀n. Àdúrà wa ni pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó tẹ̀síwájú kúlẹ̀ àpò máa bá wa gbé lọ́wọ́ sókè. Àwọn tó kù tó tún máa ṣe Ọlọ́run jẹ́ fún lálàáfíà ọ̀rọ̀ tó kàn fi ṣe. Àdúgbò púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ máa dá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tó sọ̀rọ̀ àti lè máa ṣàtúnyí asán. God bless Rotimi Agunsoye ẹ̀ṣọ́.
Àgbáyé Ìbálòsàn Her Excellency the First Lady of Lagos State, our mother, so much energy that you see everywhere. And she's working very hard for Lagos. And whatever you call her to, you will see her. She's a wonderful woman. I thank you. Dr. Adena Her Excellency the former Deputy Governor of Lagos State, Princess Sheshan OFR, the celebrant, Honorable Rotimi Agunsoye, the Prince, Ayotoba. Our fathers, the GAC members from Senator Adefuyo to Senator to Babasere Kibani of we want to thank you for coming out, for showing the people that we are committed to their welfare, to whatever is happening within the group, that we are not far from them. We thank you. Our White Cap Chiefs, the representative of Oba of Lagos, our father, the White Cap Chiefs, led by my own father, Chief Adesoji Ajaidembe, the Abaniko of Lagos. Thank you. The chairman, Kosofe, local government of Barrister Muyosoro Ogulewo. The chairman, Agbo Ikechi, Mayor Dele Oshinowo. The resident association chairman present here. Our mothers, the market women, the beneficiaries of today's engagement, gentlemen of the press, and ladies and gentlemen, thank you for turning out for Honorable Rotimi Agunsoye. And I believe that, like the first lady has said earlier, that this is not the first one, this is not the second one, this is the ninth one. I think we deserve a round of applause. We have seen some constituencies in this Lagos that some of these, I don't want to call their name, that they've been elected, and the people of that constituency have seen that there is no other party than the APC. APC! Next level! Well, you're going to pardon me, I'm going to speak Yoruba in between too. So, I'm a boy as a pretty man. But kò sí nǹkan tó dájú nǹkan tá a rí tá a gbà lọ́wọ́ wa lọ wípé ọ̀tọ̀ wa a gbà nǹkan mìíràn ìbò tá a gbì àti èrè wọ́n ràn wá lọ́wọ́ but wọ́n ṣe díẹ̀ díẹ̀ ní lẹ́yìn máa gbọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìyókù lágbára ọlọ́run but like I said there's no other good message that you get than what you see on ground from agricultural products to hairdressers, equipment, to generators, to transport equipment. And so whatever you do, you should know that you get the reward wherever you just stay with APC and the rest of the history. I want to tell you that whenever you have to compliment and every other constituency in Lagos, as you have seen that in Lagos is a big construction site, and we want to implore you that to bear with us for a while because of all the construction. We know that we go through a lot of traffic, but